Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make more money than a full-time job without sitting at a desk for 8 hours a day? The truth is, some people are already doing it. And no, it's not luck. It's not winning the lottery. It's using artificial intelligence in smart ways. Right now, there are AI tools that quietly generate income for creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. These tools are powerful, often under the radar, and they're changing lives. Some call it the second brain trick billionaires use, and honestly, it might be just that. Let's break it down. This isn't about hype. It's about using real tools with real functions that people are using today to make money. From content creation to trading, to e-commerce and personal branding, AI is doing what used to take hours in just minutes. And if used well, it can bring in more than most 9 to 5 jobs. So here are 10 powerful AI tools that could help you do exactly that. 10. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Opus Clip is changing how content creators work. Normally, turning a long video into short viral clips takes hours of editing. But with Opus Clip, AI watches your full-length video and automatically picks the most engaging parts. Then it turns those into TikTok-style clips that are ready to post. People running faceless YouTube and TikTok channels use this to grow fast. Some users report gaining thousands of followers in weeks just by feeding Opus Clip a few podcasts or interviews. The tool understands engagement, subtitles the video, and even adds transitions. It's like having your own video editing team. It's no wonder tools like this are part of the billionaire routines you never hear about. The smart ones use AI to multiply content and reach more people in less time. Tags. AI tools that make you rich, billionaire lifestyle, how to become a millionaire. 9. 11 Labs, create natural AI voiceovers. If you've ever watched a YouTube video and thought, that voice sounds human but something's off, it might be 11 Labs. This AI tool creates incredibly realistic voiceovers. It can even clone your own voice. Content creators use it to make audiobooks, podcasts, and videos without recording anything themselves. One creator launched a podcast channel using only 11 Labs voices and ChatGPT-generated scripts. The result? He's making thousands of dollars monthly from ad revenue and sponsorships. It's one of those billionaire technology secrets most people overlook. Voice sells. And 11 Labs gives you voice. Without a studio, without a microphone, without stress. Tags. The truth about AI and billionaires, what the rich do, escape the matrix. 8. Midjourney creates stunning art and thumbnails. You don't need to hire an expensive designer anymore. Midjourney is an AI art generator that turns text into high-quality images. People use it to create YouTube thumbnails, website art, and even digital products to sell online. For example, many Etsy sellers are using Midjourney to create printable art. They type in prompts like vintage sunflower painting or minimalist galaxy landscape, and Midjourney creates them instantly. These are then sold as downloadable art. Some sellers earn full-time income just from this. That's the kind of billionaire mindset that matters. Using tools, not time. Tags. Billionaire mindset, millionaire, AI secrets of billionaires. 7. ChatGPT, write, script, sell, and scale. ChatGPT isn't just for writing emails. People are turning it into full business assistants. You can use it to write ebooks, course outlines, marketing emails, product descriptions, business plans, you name it. One guy used ChatGPT to write a children's book, hired Midjourney to create the illustrations, and published it on Amazon. That book is now bringing in passive income every single month. Others are using ChatGPT to run multiple online stores by generating product descriptions, customer support replies, and ad copy. This is what they mean by billionaires using AI quietly while others scroll TikTok. Tags. The second brain trick billionaires use, how billionaires use AI, 1-minute success trick. 6. Claude by Anthropic, the brain for business. Claude is another AI model, like ChatGPT, but it handles much longer documents and is great at summarizing, editing, and managing data. Entrepreneurs are using Claude to analyze contracts, create reports, and even do market research. One real estate investor uses Claude to scan 200+ property listings, analyze the numbers, and summarize the best investment options daily. That's something that used to take hours and a whole team. It's part of the new billionaire routines. Automate the boring parts so you can focus on big-picture thinking. Tags. Billionaire routines, billionaire, how to become a millionaire. 5. Durable, build AI websites in minutes. Durable is a website builder that uses AI to create a full website in less than 30 seconds. You just describe your business and Durable generates the layout, copy, contact form, and even suggested branding. Freelancers are using Durable to start web design businesses without knowing how to code. They charge clients hundreds of dollars per site, and Durable does most of the heavy lifting. This kind of tool helps regular people create income streams fast. It's the kind of billionaire technology secret that used to require a tech team and $10,000 budget, but now anyone can do it with a few clicks. Tags. AI tools that make you rich, billionaire technology secrets. For Copy.ai, write sales copy that sells. Good writing sells. And Copy.ai makes that process automatic. It's designed to generate product descriptions, emails, sales funnels, and social media ads that convert. People are using it to run Facebook and Instagram ad agencies. With Copy.ai, they generate 10 versions of ad text, test them quickly, and keep what works. The more results they get, the more clients they land. This is part of the secret habits of billionaires. They know attention is money, and tools like this help you grab it. Tags. How billionaires use AI. Are billionaires secretly using AI? Truth. 3. Leonardo.ai, AI for gaming assets and NFTs. Leonardo is a powerful tool for creating game assets, NFT collections, and digital product designs. If you've ever wanted to create a video game or digital collection but didn't have the design skills, this tool opens the door. Some creators have launched NFT projects entirely built using Leonardo.ai. One even made a full 10,000-piece collection, sold it, and made 6 figures. This is how billionaire-level innovation works today, using AI to build digital products at scale without hiring massive teams. Tags. 3 ways to become billionaire. AI secrets of billionaires, billionaire technology secrets. 2. Pictory, turn articles into engaging videos. Pictory transforms written content into full-length videos, complete with stock footage, background music, subtitles, and AI voiceovers. Content marketers and YouTubers are using it to turn blog posts into YouTube channels that make passive income. One woman used Pictory and ChatGPT to turn finance blogs into daily videos. In less than 3 months, her faceless channel crossed 50,000 subscribers and started generating ad revenue and sponsorships. It's tools like these that are the truth about AI and billionaires. They don't hustle harder, they build smarter systems. Tags. Billionaire mindset, what the rich do, escape the matrix. 1. AutoGPT, AI that works without you. AutoGPT is a next-level AI tool. It can think, plan, and execute tasks completely on its own. You give it a goal like, create a website that teaches digital marketing, and it figures out each step, from research to content creation. It's still in early stages, but people are already using it for SEO, lead generation, and even to run small digital agencies. Think of it as an intern that never sleeps, never gets tired, and keeps learning. This is the future. And it's how billionaires are secretly using AI, not to replace people, but to multiply what they can do. Tags. The second brain trick billionaires use. Are billionaires secretly using AI? Truth. Billionaire routines. You don't need to be a billionaire to use AI like one. The tools are out there, and they're not just for tech experts. They're for regular people who are willing to learn and act. Whether you're looking to escape the 9 to 5, build something on the side, or completely change your lifestyle, these AI tools can be your starting point. If this video helped open your eyes to new possibilities, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's been stuck in the old way of thinking. And if you want more insights on the smartest ways to use technology and grow your income, make sure to subscribe. The future's already here, don't let it pass you by.